Hey guys, Coach D here. Today we'll continue the last part of our row variation for our seated rows. Now what we want to look at is two different types of implements, attachments for us today. We have the basic rope that you're going to see in your normal gym, and then we have our little straps here. I like using these guys because it gives us more range of motion, but if your gym has these guys, perfectly fine. It's going to be the same type of setup. So what we're going to do here, just like any attachment, put it on the carabiner. We're gonna grab right here, going back down. This one, what I like is because I can pull and separate it as I'm pulling. So really trying to get it to me and really getting the bigger pull on my back here. And that's why I really like doing this one. But let's say you don't have these guys and you have the rope variation. Really simple fix here. Grab the rope with your thumbs up, like so. And you're just going to do the same thing. Try to pull the rope apart as you pull it to you. Think about Superman opening his shirt. That's what we want to think here. As you're pulling, you're going to open that shirt up. And you'll save the day for your back. So it's going to look more like this. When Superman pulls, he goes just like that. That's the type of rowing motion we want. We want that right there. All right, guys, that was our last variation of their seated rows. See you next week.